Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are fine. This is Neha Gupta here and today I am going to teach you maths. So my dear students, take out your maths book. This is your maths book of class 4th. Okay, so let's start unit 1. This is page number 1 and here unit 1 review. Unit name is review, means इसमें हम रिवीजन करेंगे whatever we have learned in class 3rd. So review. Exercise first A. Question number 1. Write the consecutive numbers that come after. Okay, so one number is given here, we have to write the consecutive numbers. So A part 997, so after this 998, after 998 999, then 1000, then 1001, after 1001 1002, then 1003 and last 1004. Okay, now B part 2606, after this 2607, then 2608, 2609, 2610, 2611, 2612 and last 2613. Okay, now the C part 7894, after this 7895, then 7896, then 7897, then 7898, 7899, then 7900. Okay, so look at carefully, 7900 and after it 7901. Okay, so this is your question number 1. Now question number 2, write in expanded form. Expanded form means long form. So we have to write the number in a long form, means expanded form. A part 3428. So write 3000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. Okay. Now B part 4138. So long form 4000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 8. Okay. C part 6109. So 6000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 9. यहाँ पर tens place पर 0, so 0. Now D part 5060. So 5000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 0. Okay, so this is long form. Now question number 3, write more than, less than or equal. So very simple, we have to put the sign more than, less than or equal. So A part 3470 and 1256. So here 3470 is more than 1256, so this sign. Now the B part 2893 and 2839, so this one is greater. Now 4376 and 5731, so this one and this one is greater. And D part 8477 and 8747, so this is greater, so this sign. Okay. Now question number 4, write in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Okay, means smallest to largest. A part 5 numbers are given here. So first we have to write the smallest number among these numbers. So 3268. Now 4500 67, then 5674, then 7040, and last 8147. Okay, so we have to write from smallest to the largest, means हमें smallest से largest की तरफ बढ़ना है. Okay, so like this you have to do question number B and C both. Now question number 5, fill in A part. In 452 the place value of 4 is, so in 452 ones tens 100, 4 is at 100 place, so place value of 4 multiply 100, 400. That of 2 is at ones place, so place value of 2 is 2 multiply 1 means 2. And the place value of 5 is at tens place, कौन से प्लेस पर है, टेंस पे, सो 5 multiply 10, so place value of 5 is 50. Now in 6993 the place value of 9 is, so 9 is at tens place, so 9 multiply 10, 90. Place value of 3 is at ones place, so 3 multiply 1, so 3. And the place value of 6 is thousand place, ones tens 100, 1000, so 6 multiplied 1000, 6000. In 7654 the place value of 7 is 7000, 5, 50, and that of 6 is 600. Okay, now write the numbers shown by numerals. Roman numbers are given here, we have to write in numerals. So first is V1, so this is 6, this is 4, and x11, this is 12. Okay, now write in numerals, Roman numerals. Numerals, in numerals is given, we have to write in Roman. So first is 10th, so we know 10th is written like this, x. 9th, so I or x, and 8th, so V I. This is 8th. Okay, now F part, the number name of 5204, so we have to write the number name, so write 5204. 6 G part, the number name of 9439, so write here 9439. G part 6823 in figures, number names is written here, we have to write in figures, so 6823. 8050 figures में 8050. Okay, now next page, this is page number 2, and here question number 6, make the greatest and the smallest numbers using all the digits. Digits are given here, so from these digits we have to make smallest number and greatest number. So A part 279, so smallest number 279. First we write the 2, then 7, then 9. Okay, greatest number 972. सबसे पहले हम 9, we will write 9, greater number, then 7, then 2. Okay, so 972. B part 308, so smallest number 308. And the largest 830. Okay, C part 4536, smallest number 3456, and largest number 6543. D part 9021, smallest number 1029, and the greatest number 9210. Okay, so first we check 9021, D part. So among these numbers 1 is smallest, actually 0 is smallest, but we can not write it in the starting, so start with 1, then 0, then 2, then 9. For the greatest number, write 9 first, 9, 2, 1, 0. Okay? Now do these sums. Simple additions and subtractions are given here. Okay, so this is your work. Do it yourself. Okay? Now question number 8. This work you have to do in your notebook. आपको ये वर्क नोटबुक में करना है. So take out your notebook. You have to do question number 8 in your notebook. So first write today's date and start writing. Question number 8, add 482, 351 and 68. So arrange like this and add. Okay, आपको इस तरह से अरेंज करना है और ऐड करना है. 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11, 1 here, carry 1 above, then 8 plus 5 13 and 6 19 and 1 carry 20. So 0 here, carry 2 above, 4 plus 3 7 and carry 2 9. Okay, so this is 901 is the answer. Now B part, 4 numbers are given here, so arrange like this and add. Okay, now C part, 3 numbers are here, so first arrange like this and then add. Now D part, 3 numbers, arrange and add. Okay, so I think it is very easy for you. Now question number 9. This is question number 9, A part, 583 plus 602 minus 315. So first we will do addition. So 583 plus 602. So the answer is 1185. So from this answer we will subtract 315. So arrange like this and subtract. So answer will be 870. Okay. Now the B part, 943 minus 268 minus 517. So first solve this one and after this do this. Okay, from the solution of. Now the B part, 943 minus 268 minus 517. So first solve this one, so answer, and from this answer we will subtract 517. So the answer will be 158 is the answer. Now the C part, 592 minus 681 plus 89. So we can't subtract it because this number is smaller. So first we add, okay, 592 plus 89. So answer 681. So from this answer we will subtract 681. So the answer will be 0. Okay, now the D part, 4786, 5723 and 2000 plus 2324. So first add 4. So first add these numbers and then subtract it. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now carry on your book. Now question number 10, simple multiplication. 35 multiply 50. So first multiply by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 here carry 2, 5 3 ja 15 and 2 17 and put 0 at the last. So answer is 1750. B part 61 multiply 30. So first multiply by 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 6 ja 18 and put the 0 at the last. Okay, so like this you have to do C, D and E part. Now question number 11, A part 43 multiply 24. So first multiply by 4, 4 3 ja 12, 2 here carry 1, 4 4 ja 16 and 1 17. Then multiply by 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. Then add 2, 6 and 7 13, 3 here carry 1, 8 plus 1 9 and 1 10. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, now question number 12, divide and check the answer. So how to be check the answer? Dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. This is the formula for checking the answers. A part 38 divide by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 3 and 2 9 ja 18. Remainder is 0. So dividend equal to divisor means, so dividend equal to 19 multiply 2 plus 0. So 38 is the answer. So our answer is correct. 38. This is also 38. So answer is correct. Now B part 56 divide by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 2 remaining, then 6. So 3 8 ja 24 and the remainder is 2. We subtract 26 minus 24, so remainder is 2. So dividend equal to 18 multiply 3 and plus 2. This is remainder. So answer is 56. So here is also 56, means our answer is correct. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, now next page. At page number 3, simple divide, question number 13, A part 168 divide by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 0, then 8 here, 2 4 ja 8. Subtract, remainder is 0. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, this is your revision. All of you have done this type of questions in class 3. So this is revision for you. Okay, now exercise B, color to show the fraction. A part half, 1 by 2 means half. So 1 2 3 4 parts are here. We have to color 1 by 2 means half. So we will color 2 parts. Now 1 by 3 means 3 parts are here. We have to color 1 part. Okay, so color only 1 part. Now the C part 3 by 4 means 4 parts are here. We have to color 3 parts. 3 by 4 means we have to color 3 parts. Okay, 4 parts we have to color 3 parts. Now the D part 1 by 2 means half. 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts are here. We have to color half. So 1 2 3. Now E part 1 by 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts are here. 6 parts are here and 2 are colored. So 2 3 ja 6. 1 by 3 means we have to color 2 parts here. Okay. Now write T if the fraction is shaded correctly. If not, then write F. So A part 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 parts are here and 1 2 3 are colored. So 3 by 7. So written here 3 by 7. So this is 2. Now B part 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts are here and colored 1 2 3 4. 4 are colored. 4 by 6 means 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. 2 by 3 So this is also correct. Now C part 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are here and 1, 2. 2 are colored. So 1, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2 is 4. Means 1 by 2. But here 1 by 4 is written. So this is false. Now the D part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 16 parts are here and 4 are colored. 4 1 is 4. 4 4 is 16. Means 1 by 4. So this is true. Okay. Now question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. A part. The part of a line between 2 points is called a line segment. Yes, this is true. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides equal होती है. Yes, this is true. A circle has only one side. False. A circle has no side. All the edges of a cube are equal. Yes, true. A cuboid has 6 faces. Yes, true. A cylinder has 2 curved faces and 1 flat face. Wrong. It has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Okay, so this is false. A brick is a cuboid. Yes, a brick is a cuboid. A marble is a cone. False. A marble is a circle, a sphere. It is not a cone. Okay, so this is false. Okay, so like this you have to write true and false. Now next page. This is page number 4. Write the time. Clocks are given here. We have to write the time. A part. Okay, small hand is on 9 and the long hand is on 2. So this is 9, 10. This is 3:45. This is 8:15, 2:25 and 10:50. Okay. Now question number 5. Fill in. 50 paise equal to 0.50 rupee. Okay. Rupees 25.50 equal to paise. So 2550 paise. C part 4200 paise equal to rupees 42. And D part 9875 paise equal to rupees 98.75. Okay. Now 2 hours equal to 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hour equal to 2 multiply 60. So 120 minutes. All of you have done this type of questions in class 3. So this is revision for you. Okay. Now exercise B. Color to show the fraction. A part half. 1 by 2 means half. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are here. We have to color 1 by 2 means half. So we will color 2 parts. Now 1 by 3 means 4 months equal to. So we know 1 month equal to 30 days. So 4 months equal to 4 multiply 30 means 120 days. Now I part 10 minutes equal to how many seconds? So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 10 minutes equal to, so 10 multiply 60 means 600 seconds. 1 week equal to hours. So we know 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay, and 7 days equal to 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 7 multiply 24. So answer will be 168 hours. 6 meter equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 6 meter equal to 600 centimeter. L part 700 centimeter. equal to 7 meter. Okay, 5000 meter equal to 5 kilometer. 9 kilometer equal to 9000 meter. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 7 kg equal to 7000 gram and 2000 gram equal to 2 kg. We know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay, 3000 ml equal to 3 liter and 5 liter equal to 5000 ml. We know 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Okay, now question number 6. So this question you have to do in your notebook. So take out your notebook. Okay, so page number 4, question number 6, change 2 hours 4 minutes 2 minutes. So we know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 2 hours equal to 2 multiply 60, 120 minutes. So 2 hours 4 minutes equal to 2 hours equal to 120 minutes, 120 minutes plus 4 minutes, total 124 minutes. Okay. Now B part, 5 days 15 hours 2 hours. Okay, so 1 day equal to 24 hours, 5 days equal to 24 multiply 5, 120 hours. So 5 days 15 hours equal to 120 plus 15, 135 hours. 6 months 10 days 2 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. 6 months equal to 6 multiply 30, 180 days. 6 months 10 days equal to 180 plus 10, 190 days. Now the D part, 2 weeks 3 days equal to days. So 1 week equal to 7 days, 2 weeks equal to 7 multiply 2, 14 days, and 2 weeks 3 days equal to 14 plus 3, 17 days. Now 4 liter 40 milliliter 2 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, 4 liter equal to 1000 multiply 4, 4000 milliliter, and 4 liter 40 milliliter equal to 4000 milliliter plus 40 milliliter. So answer 4040 milliliter. Okay, now the next F part, milliliter to liter and milliliter. So we know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So 2643 milliliter equal to, so divide it by 1000. So answer will be 2 liter and 643 milliliter. Okay. Now 2 kg 500 gram 2 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 2 kg equal to 2000 gram. 2 kg 500 gram equal to 2000 gram plus 500 gram, 2500 gram. H part, 6255 grams to kilograms and gram. So we know 1000 gram equal to 1 kg, 6255 gram divide by 1000, 255, 6000 and remainder 255. So this is kg and this is grams. 6 kg 255 grams. 8 meters 70 centimeter to 70 meters. So like this you have to do. Okay, J part. Now question number 7. Question number 7 also you have to do in your notebook. Find rupees plus rupees. So first we have to arrange like this and add. Okay. Now B part, add करना है रुपीज़ 32.45, रुपीज़ 259.65 and rupees 1357.75. So first arrange like this and then add. Now the subtraction of rupees, so first arrange and solve it. D part, subtraction, so first arrange and then subtract. Okay, now next E part, here is multiplication. So arrange like this and multiply. This will be the answer. Now F part, multiply. So arrange and multiply. Now division. So arrange like this and divide. Okay. This is also division. So arrange like this and do it. Now question number 8, story sums are here. Mr. Alve had 2 kg of potatoes, 1 kg 500 gram of onions and 250 gram of spinach in his shopping bag. What was the total weight of the vegetables in his bag? So write one side kg and one side gram. Potato 2 kg, so gram is not here, so write 0, 0, 0. 1 kg and 500 gram onions and 250 gram spinach. Add, so total weight is 3 kg and 750 gram. Question number 9. Mohan went to a temple 45 kilometers 600 meter away. He travelled 43 kilometers 500 meter by bus and then took a rickshaw. What distance did he travel by rickshaw? So total distance is this one. So write one side kilometer and one side meter. Total distance is this one. He travelled by bus 43 kilometer and 500 meter. So subtract. So he travelled 2 kilometer and 100 meter by rickshaw. A shop sells 28 liter 150 milliliter of oil every day. How much it sells in 6 days? So multiply by 6. So it sells 168 liter and 900 milliliter in 6 days. Now 11. A tailor used 16 meter and 80 centimeter of cloth to make 8 trousers of equal size. What length of cloth did he use to make each? So divide by 8. Okay, 8 banata hai na trouser. So divide by 8 the complete cloth. So answer will be 2 meter and 10 centimeter to make each trouser. Okay. Now question number 12. The pictograph shows how two children of class come to school. Look at it and fill in the blanks. By car, by bus, by scooters and by rickshaw. One, this picture means 4 children and half picture means 2 children. So the number of children who come by rickshaw. So this is rickshaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 picture is, 1 picture means 4 children. So 4 picture means 4 multiply 4, 16. And now by car. So by car 4 and 2, 6. Total 6. The number of children who come by bus. So by bus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 4s are 16 and this one means 2. So plus 2 means 18. And by scooter 1, 2, 3, 3 multiply 4 means 12 and this one means 2 means 14. So 14 by scooter. The total number of children in the class. Total number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 multiply 4 means 48 and half of 1, 2, 3 means 6. So means total 54 children are in the class. Okay. So this is your unit first. In next video I will start unit 2. So do all the above properly. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.